What's up everybody, welcome to my new video. Now that we have somewhat of a guide or whatever of how to build a website, then we can start building it. It's a little bit harder because, well, for me at least to visualize it, because, well, I'm not building it in, just regular HTML. I feel like HTML is just really easy because you can just visualize what goes where. But when I'm building it here, it's a little different, Now I was wondering here why this is JS. This is an index.js. So I was wondering why. Maybe because of that. Okay, so you can't put a. I didn't know that you can't use a. Oh. Anyways, okay. So we can build using. I could actually make this one a little bit. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Something like that. And then we're gonna be using the helpers. The helpers. Oh, I haven't brought them over yet. I don't know if I ever finished I think I finished it. Did I finish everything? In terms of, let's see, Webpack, package. I don't know if I finished everything. It needs to load CSS. It needs to load CSS. It needs to load. Oh no! What I have done, I finished from over here. What I was loading up for Webpack, I had finished that. But let's go over to Webpack again. We need to go ahead and from the tutorial, we need to find the one that it was. I think it was asset management. Loading CSS. I had used this for my past project for the. I forgot what it was called. The Webpack config. Webpack config. I'm just gonna add this here. Add it like that to the module exports. There's that. What else is there to add? There's that. There's the adding of the. So I go in here. Wait, I think that's it. Or do I have to do it first? Hold on, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it how it shows me here. I'm gonna do it in order. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this first. I don't know if I've done it. I don't think I have. I wouldn't want to do it twice. But yeah, I don't think I've done it. So I'll go ahead and do this first. Alright. Now that that's done, now I can go ahead and I'll just do, I think it's Control R, redo. I'll do that. Before I Webpack, build it again. Now style CSS, I'm gonna create one. I was kind of wondering if it was gonna create one, like it created this over here, but it didn't. So I'll just create it myself. Style CSS, and I gotta import it. That's what I was thinking as well. And then I gotta make a reset. I'm not gonna use the style CSS right now. I'll do that in a bit. As far as the package, the JSON goes, that should be it. The README, that should be it. Just don't want to have a bunch of tabs open. I'll keep that open still, just so that I know if it's loading up or not. So just kind of import it here. Style CSS. We don't have any form or from or anything like that. So it's just like this. And then I might as well just put the other one over here for the reset. Like that. And let me go ahead and create it. Now on the reset, I am gonna add. I'll do it at the end. Let me go ahead and add it. Let's see. Where do I grab the reset from? I'm about to grab it from a past project. This is my weather app right here. It uses API. Here's a reset. So just here to grab it all. Copy. Before I exit, sometimes I don't copy correctly. Make sure it's on there. Cool. Done. Exit. Don't need that no more. Now I could build it, which would be np, what is it? npm. See, I can't do run build because that's a custom. I could probably add it, to be honest, if it's on here. I forgot where you add it. I think it's on package JSON or something like that. That's cool though. If I don't have it, I could just do npx webpack and it should do the same thing. And this is it right here. Everything's compiling accordingly. So far we don't have anything. Well, we do have the style and then we have the empty. I'm not gonna need to reset anymore. So let's go ahead and do some of the basics. So we can go to Figma. Let's zoom out a little bit right here. Not too much, like 75. I'm trying to see something. Okay. Let's see. I guess we can add what's gonna be on there, like the boxes and stuff. So we can do index. Oh, actually, I'm gonna do it somewhat similar to my past project and a bunch of other projects that I made. I'm gonna create a display. It is gonna be basic. I'm just gonna have a display. I don't know, like having a display JS. That way I just know everything's gonna be on here. So we're gonna have, display JS, we're gonna have the main function. I'll put it at the bottom. The main display function, which is gonna have all the other functions. For example, with the first one, we're gonna have a health and wellness. So we'll do, this is gonna be the nav bar, right? So it's gonna be, we're gonna do the nav, that's the nav section. And then we'll have it here. Before I start doing one by one, I'm just gonna go ahead and create all the sections. So I'm gonna have the nav bar. I'm gonna have, it's gonna be, let's see, how am I gonna create this section here? I'm thinking of probably having one big div right here, and then having a bunch of middle ones. So in that case, it would just be the middle section. Let's have middle section like that. And then we can do, should we have a footer or no footer? I don't think we should have a footer. If anything, a basic one. Let's have a basic footer. Before the footer though, we're gonna have this right here. We're gonna have this, what do we call this? Resources. I don't want to call it resources, I just want to call it by section, so we can say like bottom section. And then lastly, footer. Alright, now that I have everything, I'm just gonna go ahead and run it. So we'll have, not run it, but like put all the, call them, put all the sections in here. So we'll have bottom section, we'll have footer. And yeah, that's about it as far as this goes. You can go ahead and run that one, even though they don't have anything, so nothing's gonna run. Nothing's gonna be different pretty much. Alright, so I went ahead and ran it. I ran it, and let's go ahead and do that footer, which I kind of just want to copy and paste this here. Usually a footer is like, you know, you'll see like if you want to apply for a job or something at the footer. But this website, it's like a basic website, so it's not gonna really have any links or anything like that. So what we can do here is just do like a simple, we can say, I don't know how to do the copyright symbol. I think it's like Alt-C. I don't know what the copyright symbol is, but then you do like 2023. What's the copyright symbol? Hold on. Gotta find it over here. And then paste it on there. I see the symbol, but I don't see the actual text on there. What is it? Am I missing it somewhere? Maybe it's on the bottom of the website, to be honest. No? Oh, see, they don't have a footer here. Anyways. Oh, thought I saw it somewhere here. It's this one. Is it that one? I thought it was something else. Is it this one? I thought it was something else. Anyways. Go back in here. It looks a little bit different for some reason. Maybe I just haven't seen it in a while. Put that in the middle. That's it. Health and wellness. As far as the whole website goes, make it a little bit smaller. Like that. Same distance. Make this a little bit smaller as well. That's it. Alright. That looks pretty much done as far as the content goes, but obviously we gotta work on the display over here. And that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a good ass day. Peace out.